Hello there and welcome back for my videos. In this video we're gonna speak about the Attune software, and I will show how you can just working with jobs, and we will edit a little bit in the blueprint, so I can show how you can download blueprints, creating them and running them inside the job section. So that's what you're gonna learn today, and I really hope you stay here with me and learn the great software here. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the thing in the right corner below in the video. And if you have any questions, please make comments in the comments fields. And don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much, and let's go ahead to learn. So the first we're gonna do is going for the blueprint, and the blueprint here is coming from the previous video. So if you don't know how to create blueprints, you can just watch the previous video where we creating the Linux node and the very basic about the blueprint here. But we have the blueprint, but we cannot run it right away. So we can go in for the jobs here, and then we can just make a new job. Let's say test my job, and the blueprint is my first blueprint task, and we want to keep the history from the jobs. The default one is 5. You can change it to what you want, and let's add it to the dashboard. This is this tab. I can show you that after this, and we can just say this is my first test job, and we can create it. After you've created it, we'll have it here on the left side. You can just click on it, and you can see we have run, edit, inputs, and history. And in inputs we have the machine here, and we can just change what we want. And we have the edit about the title, which blueprint we want to run, and here's the history. We don't have any kind of history right now because we don't have running it. So let's create a job, and you can see we have it here. So when it's first time, it will going for the blueprint, and it will create a jobs based on the blueprints, and it will not running it first time. Then we need to going for the click on the run from the selected steps, and it asks about we are sure, and we'll say okay, that's fine. And in this case we can just see it's running and it's logged in, and we have running steps here. It's fine. It's taking a little time before it's log in to the server, but it will come, of course. And now it's going inside, and we have the issue here. It's saying the process connections authentication is failed, so we have an error inside. So that's how the error it's working here. We have one step fail. We need to fix the issue about the login. My guess is we have the terminal here, the ZMD, and then we can just say root and then 100 here, and it asks we want to run in, and I say just use 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then we should be enabled to run inside, and we can't. So something is wrong. I'll just check it up and see what's going wrong here. And what's wrong, I discovered it because we used the root user. So we need to go back for the inputs and going for the Linux login here, and I'll just say root unsecured Paris. Whoops, and that's my user, because on Debian you don't have allowed to log in as that's one. So we're going back for the jobs, and click this one and click on the plus sign, then it's reload everything, and then that's going in to see what's happening. And we run it again, and let's see about we can run with the new user and password. Yeah, and now we can see the hello world. So let's go in for the blueprint a little bit more, so we don't work with that so much. So let's go in for the blueprints, so we can make a little bit change. I think after this one I can just click say share the folder list what's inside a folder, and then I of course make my target here, and the only thing I need to do is to say lsla var log, and that's it. I think say print logout to term and create it up, and we can just go back for the jobs and click on this, and you can see we still have it here. And if I'm clicking on the plus sign here and click OK, you can see we have it here. This is the new one, and I can just click on run. It's running all my tasks. We have one step, and then we can see what's happening. This is all the log files, so that's processing correct. We have the history, so we have this history. We don't it's not working. And then we have this one, it's working, succeeds. And we have the last one here, so we need to run it again to have the last one in the history, I think. Okay, what's happening here? I need to stay here until it's running finished. And we don't have any. That's a little bit weird. We don't have the history here, but yeah, you get the point of it here. So let's going back for the dashboard, and you can see we basically have the test my job here, and I can just click on the sign here, and then it's running. The test job is starting, and you can see how the process is going on, and now it succeeds. So that's very easy way to work with that. If you're going back for the jobs here, we have a different places here. We can say history, and here it's coming. So I think it's just a little bit slow, or we need to change tabs or something like that. I don't really know. And when you're going back, it's basically just remove the jobs again. Just click on create, and then I can just download it. Let's download the result of this job. I'll just click play here, just so we have something down. Cancel. Download it here, and this PC desktop. And we can go in for the hello world. We can go in for this one, and then we can download this one too. Let's minimize this one, and we can just open it. And then this will be exported like a HTML file, and I can open this too. So in this way you can just make some logs and print it out, and you can see what's happening. This is the test job. It's everything. You can see it's working pretty good. And then we have this one where we can see the exact running task about what we have running up. So yeah, that's how the jobs it's working, and it's working pretty good. And I really hope you enjoy and want to try out this software. Don't forget, I have more videos about Attune, so you can just click in my playlist about the Attune, and the links to the Discord channel and the software will be down in the description. And I really hope you want to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time. Bye.